Welcome, fourth graders, to Home Learning Day 16, April 20th, 2020, fourth grade science, video 2. Fourth graders, I was thinking that we'd be back together by now and we'd be studying our adventures in Dairyland, but that is not the case. School's not over though. It's just different. We have the same goals. And we have a great opportunity here. It's a different way to learn, but we're all learning something. We're learning in a different way, and we're learning about how to learn differently. So that's a positive thing. And during this time, please continue to persevere. That means continue to work hard when things get tough, and then engage and try to interact with your teachers and your parents, and ask questions. So that's a good thing. So let's keep up this great year that we've been having. It's been a lot of fun working with you. I've told you that many times how much I love your class. So we'll move on a little bit with some adventures in Dairyland online, and then move on to a few other science topics, and then it'll be time for summer. So here we go. Let's just take a moment to review what we've been up to. Hopefully, boys and girls, you've all had a chance to take a look at those videos that were attached to my last YouTube video down in the description. One on forms of energy, and we've talked a little bit about that, and simple machines, and hopefully you took some notes, and you can maybe list off some of the names of the simple machines. We've also been working out of this pamphlet, This Business Called Agriculture, and this was a little extra freebie with the Adventures in Dairyland program. I thought we'd maybe just work on that a little bit, and then we'd come back and hand out the regular booklets, but that's not the case. So we're gonna do some things online. We got very lucky in that I found the Adventures in Dairyland Make Mine Milk video online on YouTube, and so our work for this week will involve watching that. It's one of my most favorite videos. It's awesome, and it really tells you about the dairy industry, which is so important. There's tons of science in it, and it's super important to Wisconsin's economy. So Make Mine Milk video will be listed in the description. There will be a link there. So I want you to watch that and answer some questions. So we'll go over those questions first. Boys and girls, these are the questions that I would like you to answer as you watch the Make Mine Milk video. How many pounds of feed, hay, and silage does a dairy cow eat a day? How many gallons of water does a dairy cow drink a day? About how many gallons of milk does a dairy cow produce a year? To what temperature is milk immediately cooled after being taken from a cow? What is pasteurization? What is homogenization? Of what is milk made? What are the 5 most common breeds of dairy cows? What breed of dairy cow produces the most milk? How many nutrients are found in milk? I will email these questions in a Word document to Miss Y, so that she will be able to forward this to you, and you'll be able to print it off at home. Boys and girls, this Make My Milk video that's listed in the description below is an awesome video. I love this video. It has a lot of learning in it, and some good dancing and singing too. So I know some of you are dancers and singers, so feel free to get up and dance and jive with it. So, and sing along. and that will help you learn some of the concepts. A couple more thoughts. One is make sure you make your math your priority. Your math and your communication arts. Science is awesome, but get that math done. That's a priority at your house. And the final thought, of course, as always, go Zephyrs!